Decided I'm going to go ahead and start replacing some of the high temperature hot glue with 3D printed parts. And like I made the mount for the one tripod, and I'm like, well, I've got scrap from failed what did I call them, the Philadelphia project. That discount antenna, and then some of these mounts. The Fab Lab failed when I wasn't there, and so I figured, I'd take those parts. I think I made a video already about using the heat gun to bend those pieces. And let's see, those are these pieces here. So I used the heat gun to bend those around the tube, and then I took some of the Hatchbox filament and dedicated a long strip, which I've almost used the whole thing up, to work on this. And so I kind of just would, you know, use the Scribbler, was it Scribbler 3D printer pen, and kind of use my fingers too to press, and also using a little cutter tool to press the material into the voids a little better. And I still have some hot glue to remove, but I might just leave what's there. This kind of area I want to seal up a little better. I'm almost thinking I'll plasti dip all that. I need to read into the material's property. Maybe won't be good. My go-to type 1 silicone probably won't be good for the electronics, but maybe plasti dip will be okay. I'll have to verify what the solvents are, if there's anything that would cause corrosion. But I found this is working really well. So like these elements will be able to slide, so I'll be able to go ahead and remeasure everything, readjust, and then I'll do like what I did with there happened to be a hole already. I'll just drill a hole next to the approximate location, and then just go ahead and use that 3D printer pen to make like a little glob that I'll just press into the hole, and that should fix the location once I get these measured close to what like the approximately 450 megahertz Yagi antenna Instructable noted, and what the nano VNA when tuning winds up showing. But yeah, there's a update on this. This is my first little generic prototype, because I was curious to see how aluminum foil would do on these wooden rods, and I even think I should coat these to keep at least the ends, to keep moisture out of that wood, especially this time of year, because now like my room is like 19% humidity. What is it out here? I think it's something like, yeah, 28% humidity. So but then with this hand grip also, I'm going to use silicone tape, I think, so it'll look more uniform. Probably just trim off a little bit of the black tape, and then silicone tape around all that, so it looks like a big uniform hand grip. I was almost thinking put a ski pole antenna on there, but then I'd have to, make an adapter, so I have the tube adapted to the square. And I probably won't bother. I'll probably just silicone tape that. But that might be another route to go, though, if I want to use, say, a bunch of ski pole aluminum foil. And I saved most of the hand grips. I didn't save them all, but some were so cool looking. I'm like, dude, I gotta have some kind of, use for them later. We'll see. Other than hiking poles, I think I have used I've used a set for some hiking poles to put better grips on them. But anyways, there's that update for today. And yeah, I kind of gave up on that earlier today. So Hackaday had a article regarding antennas So I was like, oh, you know, I didn't take a photo of this or make a video regarding it. So there it is. Still some work to do, and when I work on it again, I'll try to. I usually don't remember to, but I'll try to take a video of. Anyhow, you all have a good one. Be safe, take care, and until next time.